Oh, it's a super ball. Gakpo is onto it. It's Cody Gakpo! Here again. Here's Mo Salah. And Elliott. Nunez! Red Utopia! Gakpo through the middle. He's taking on Lisandro Martinez. He's sat him down. It's Gakpo! It's free! Wonderful speed of thought and movement. Rolled up here for Nunez. He'll get a second bite, and it falls for Salah! Formidable! Boy, did he crash that in! Round the back, Henderson can retrieve this. Lifted in by Henderson. 5! Darwin Nunez! Day of his life! A story quite unforetellable.
And Salah.
Elliott, Firmino, Salah! Liverpool flex their muscle to the power of 6. Half a dozen reasons. Jones, Salah, he wouldn't, would he? Salah's rolled it in.